In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a barcode with the Amazon app. If you've ever been shopping and wondered whether you can find a better price online or just want quick details about a product, the barcode scanner inside the Amazon shopping app makes it fast and easy. First, install and open the Amazon shopping app. Head to the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for Amazon Shopping, download it, and then open the app. Sign into your Amazon account so the app can show you accurate pricing, availability, and shipping options. A quick tip, make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, on the home screen, look at the search bar across the top. You'll see a small camera icon inside that bar. Go ahead and tap it. This camera button is your shortcut to visual tools inside the app, including the barcode scanner. From the options that appear, choose Scan Barcode. You might also see features like photo search, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the barcode option. Selecting it opens a live camera view with a frame to guide your scan. If the app asks for camera access, grant permission. This simply allows the app to use your phone's camera to read barcodes. It's safe, and you can manage permissions later in your device settings if you need to. Now scan the barcode. Hold your phone so the barcode fits within the on-screen frame. Keep your hand steady and make sure there's enough light to clearly see the lines or squares of the code. Avoid glare from glossy packaging by tilting the item slightly and try to keep the barcode flat and in focus. You don't have to press a shutter button. Once the barcode is centered and readable, the app will scan it automatically. If it doesn't register right away, move a bit closer or farther until the lines look sharp. After the scan, you'll be taken to the product page. Here you can see the item's title, price, delivery options, and availability. Take a moment to review customer ratings and read a few reviews to confirm it's the exact product you're holding. You can compare sellers, check return policies, and if it's the right match, add it to your cart or buy it now. And that's it. You've just learned how to scan a barcode with the Amazon app to quickly find product details and shop with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.